Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So euro mostly confirms our suggestion that probably some retracement should start within today, tomorrow maybe, because this is just the element of the market mechanics, so how market usually behaves. With this retracement stands no sense of the possible reversal or something that sort. This is just technical normal reaction on the changes that we see on intraday charts, because some downside tendency has been broken and market's forming bullish reversal swing, and it should react somehow on previous bearish momentum that exists in the market. So we can see this every time when the market stands in the long trend, first upside action that takes the bullish reversal swing on the intraday charts. After that, deep retracement, usually ABCD retracement. Again, some kind of the here again, for example, large action, drop, upside deep retracement before any downside continuation. The same we have here, but in the minor scale, because actually market was standing in a downside action. This is bullish reversal swing on the intraday chart. Some reaction on the previous bearish momentum should happen, because market should fade it down before upward continuation will happen. And currently we will be watching for this downside retracement. Actually, we have talked about it since the beginning of the week, and probably within the 2 sessions this reaction could start. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that market has reached agreement resistance, so market has completed our ABCD XLP target right at the major 618 resistance. That is, by the chart Napoli, agreement resistance, when the extension objective point coincides with the fib resistance. So taking into consideration of the harmonic swings here on the 4-hour time frame chart, and knowing that usually a retracement after the reversal swing takes some kind of the compounding retracement, so it takes the shape of kind of the ABCD pattern. Usually it's moderate, not small. It could be 50% or 618 retracement. So by taking a look at the harmony of the swings that we see, it seems that the 122.80 area could be a potential target of this retracement. Maybe retracement will be slightly smaller. Retesting of this consolidation is also possible, but also we can't exclude that retracement could be deep. Why I'm talking about it is that because if you will see some kind of the deep drop to 122.80, don't think that some kind of the collapse or market is just turning bearish again. So until market holds above the major levels, I mean fib levels, it could be treated as retracement. And if even the market will reach the 22.80, 22.85, this will not be the breaking of the possible bullish tendency that's not right now is developing. So on the hourly chart, market indeed is forming some patterns that we have specified yesterday. So it could become here we have the butterfly bearish reversal pattern. Market has hit 127 extension, starting move down here. Potentially we could talk about the possible head and shoulders, but guys, here it's too steep. So you can see the neckline is not suitable to call it the head and shoulders. It's too steep pattern. But this probably will not be the barrier for triggering retracement. Also, one of the patterns that we have mentioned yesterday, it was the regarding triple to sell, and we said if market will form this bearish pattern, it could become the starting point for deep downward action. So as you can see, we have the multiple fib levels around. So first conference support will be 23.40. Here is a bit wide, the area around 23.13, 23.26. It's also can the kind for confluence. Take a look at around 122.85. We have the fib level. So here we just need to keep an eye on possible ABCDs. So using the extension tool, trying to estimate the potential level where the market could reach with this retracement. When this downward action indeed will start, we'll be able to calculate the potential targets of this retracement with the more precision. Right now, we could say that overall standing here is consolidation around strong resistance on the follow time frame chart supports our idea of the possible retracement here. So as you can see, in general, our expectation, our analysis stands the same. Nothing has happened that could force us to change our mind with this view on the euro currency right now. So as market has completed our first part of our scenario of our trading plan, we said first market should prove that indeed stands on bullish momentum, bullish reversal. We need to see thrusting action, we need to see clear bullish reversal pattern, and that was formed by this reverse head and shoulders forming the upside reversal swing breaking of the downside channel that has happened in the beginning of the week. So this part is completing. Right now we need just a good entry point, and this is a second stage in our scenario. We just need to wait and see what level market could reach, what support level market could reach, where we could take the long position. So just keep an eye on the major levels and keep an eye on possible ABCDs targets, extension targets. That will let us to estimate the possible point where market could turn up again.